3 chopped tomatoes 210 grams, 240 grams prawns, 3 chopped onions 180 grams, 2 chopped green chillies, 5 chopped garlic cloves, 1 inch chopped ginger. Hey foodies, welcome back to the Foodie Couple 333 where homemade food is love. And let's begin with our today's recipe. First clean and wash the prawns well about 4 to 5 times. Then keep them aside. Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons oil on low flame. Then add garlic, ginger and green chillies. Stir fry for a minute on low flame. Now we'll add onion and saute them for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now add tomatoes and mix it well on low flame. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. Then give it a stir. And add 1 tablespoon Bottle Masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon salt and saute for 2 minutes on low flame. Add 350 ml water, prawns and mix it well. Let it boil for 10 minutes on high flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala and mix it well on low flame. Cover and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon Coriander Leaves and mix it well for 5 minutes on medium flame. And our delicious spicy prawns curry is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!